Welcome to a regular broadcast of NOVA Airmada's channel into the history of one 400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the Iran Air Boeing 747SP-86 with the name Kurdistan, wearing the 1990s era white and dark blue livery of Iran Air. This aircraft was powered by 4 Pratt Whitney JT9D series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 50,000 pounds force or 222 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 400 passengers maximum in an all-economy layout, but this usually tops out at 343 passengers or a 2-class layout. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 493 knots or 914 kilometers an hour, with a range of 6,500 nautical miles or about 12,300 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this 747SP was delivered to Iran Air on March 12 of 1976. Began its paid passenger career with the registration of EP-IAA, a registration it would carry for its entire career. The livery was a white and blue paint job with a blue cheat line along the windows and an Iranian stylized horse emblazoned on the tail. After the Iranian Revolution, the aircraft's appearance was virtually unchanged, except for the Iranian flag being moved from the tail to just aft of the airline's titles above the windows. At this point, the aircraft received its first name in 1980 as Fars, which translates to Persian in English. In 1985, the name was changed to Kurdistan, which is a region in the Middle East that covers western and northern parts of Iran. This name stuck until 2007. Sometime in the 1990s, the airline's livery was changed to that as seen on the model. The blue cheat line was removed and the amount of blue on the tail reduced. The aircraft would fly with this livery until it was taken out of service in 2014 and stored at the Imam Khomeini International Airport. In 2007, the aircraft name was changed again to Persian Gulf. Records indicate that the aircraft is still in storage, but recent overhead photos don't show any 747SPs, so the aircraft status, if you'll excuse the pun, is up in the air. Video of the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft. Released by Gemini Jets and Schuko, each in 2003, this model shows the aircraft as the plane was during its time named Kurdistan. 2,000 of these models were made, and while sold out from Gemini Jets, can be found online from anywhere from $7 US up to $70 US, depending on multiple variables. Don't forget to hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've had making it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.